Another great thing you can do with these is turn them directly into delicious dried green dish. Throw some lemon, garlic, avocado oil or olive oil or butter. And let half of the garlic cook into that oil with some of the lemon. And then I'm going to chop these stinging nettles, but not so much that they're finely minced. I just want them to be nice bite-sized pieces. You don't have to get them too small because they are going to continue. Put some fresh garlic on the top. Put just a tiny bit of water. I'm going to cover them so that they steam. I'm going to add just a little bit of seasoning from Italian herbs. Add a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. We're going to allow that to cook steamed for just a few minutes. Alright, these are steamed up plenty, being covered. I'm going to stir them. Keep that heat up, about medium high. I'm going to remove the lemons. I've got enough lemon flavor in there at this point. Look what I found in here. Nice piece of grass. And in the blanch water that we just dipped these in, there were a number of bugs and dirt and gravel. This is starting to develop some brown around the edges. That's how I like it. So I'm going to say these are ready. Put it onto our plate with the glass soulade, salmon soulade. Would you look at that? Something to note is that the two different methods do have different content of vitamins. Uncooked greens are going to have more vitamins preserved than the high temperature fried version of stinging nettles or any green. Frying it in oil does make it taste good, but you do lose a lot of those more fragile vitamins. Happy harvesting, everybody, and thank you for watching. Ha Shialios, good job, and have a good day. Ha Slachel, good day.